Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can buy on Etsy without PayPal, so let's get right into it. Now, there are methods which you can use to buy on Etsy without PayPal. Another one that I know of that is sort of an online app for paying is Payoneer, which is available in a select few regions which you can use. However, there is also the option of using your own credit card, which is again very easy. Now, if I go over into my account and go to my account settings, and then I go to my credit cards. As you'll see, I have no credit cards available, and you can only add new credit cards during checkout. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go over into your Etsy store and go ahead and search for anything you would like to buy. Once you go to checkout, you will have the option to enter your credit card information. This is the standard credit card information which you would add anywhere else, that being the card number, which is on the front, the expiration date, the cardholder's name, I'm pretty sure, also goes with that, and the three digits in the back of your card, which is just pretty much a security system to prevent anybody from stealing your credit card information. And that is pretty much it. Once you enter that and pay with that credit card, your credit card will be saved here, and you'll be able to use that instead of PayPal to pay for whatever you would like on Etsy, and you're pretty much set when you do it. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.